Here at OE324, we have all the precautions in place. We've been doing everything we need to do. We have a COVID safety officer. We have a backup COVID safety officer here at the facility to make sure that the signing into the facility is correct, all of our decontamination is correct, our social distancing is in order.
Our process starts at the gate. We have to have a call to get admitted into the building. So basically we have social distancing till that point. Then we take care of our procedures that were laid out from our health and safety department, which includes temperature, taking questionnaires, hand sanitizing, and wearing facial protection for everybody in the group.
The COVID-19, we're all, really looking at safety. It was nice to see when we came in the social distancing, starting with the X's on the sidewalk outside, the temperature taking, all of the precautions with sanitizer and gloves and social distancing throughout the day. We're getting to that now that our school is starting to come back. We've got the next month that we're off that we're going to be doing the exact same things you guys have already done. Okay, how do you separate? What do you need to tag? What do you need to distance? And making sure that everybody feels comfortable coming in. So I feel real comfortable here. It was a great experience, and look forward to coming out on the next field trip with kids.
What we are showing is that it's possible to keep training during COVID. We've had to adapt to a lot of different things, but we've been on it early. So to abide by the 10-person per room requirement that we have here in Michigan, we've been able to do that. And we've also done a lot through Zoom and media, through virtual training, things that will stay with us in the future.
I think you guys have done an awesome job, especially with the COVID-19, of doing the social distancing and practicing. I mean, there's signs everywhere, the X's on the floor, the check-in process, the temps. I mean, as far as like an entity and as far as like a company and the setup with it, you guys have done an awesome job as far as the spacing structures go. Same thing with the instructional setup and the formatting of breaking into groups that are small enough to be able to maintain some of the distancing and protocols. Like that goes a long way, especially for education and especially for people, right, that want to be a part of like the programming and a part of the day. So I think that goes a long way. Even something as simple as lunch, to be outside for lunch and be in our small groups and spread out, like that goes a long way of thinking ahead and thinking about what those safety protocols should look like for everyone involved.
You kind of forget you're in a global pandemic when you're here because you have so many other things to focus in on, and Local 324 has done such a great job keeping us safe and communicating what our responsibility is to keep ourselves safe.
Overall, today was a great success. We worked through all of the COVID restrictions and limitations. The group embraced it, moved through it, and we succeeded to a high level.